Hey guys, good morning. And this is going to be pretty short, but I kind of want to let you know what we're doing. So you saw us get the hood and sprayed some of the rust inhibitor on it. Right now, if you saw us get it from the junkyard, you saw there was a lot of surface rust, so we sprayed that yesterday. So for this build, being that we are junkyards and barn finds, we're going to try and do this all with junkyard parts and or parts used that we buy off of, you know, marketplace or something. But I want to do as little as possible with new parts. I want to do as much as possible with used parts, junkyard parts, parts we buy off people that are tearing down cars, because we want to do this as a budget build. And we have a $5,000 budget to turn this truck into a really nice streetable truck. Now, it is a nice truck, but it does have some issues. Floorboard rust, a little side of rust there. The interior hadn't been cleaned. I think it had been smoked in, and it's just nasty. The engine has 300,000 miles on it and leaks oil. So we're going to be putting a new engine in it because we want a truck that can go on the hot rod power tour. We want a truck that can be driven very comfortably and safely. I'll show you the steering column in here needs to be replaced. There's a lot of stuff. So we got the truck, and we got the truck for under $1,500. Okay, so bought that under $1,500, which was a really good deal to me, because it runs, has transmissions, it's a complete truck. So when we buy things, when we go over and we start buying the stuff and putting the stuff together, I'm going to, sorry, I just really woke up. It's only like 7 a.m. But we're going to do, the videos are not going to be like, they shouldn't be like 3 or 4 hours. They're going to be like, you know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes of us finding a part. If we go to a junkyard, how to get it out, how to bring it back, how to put it in here, and what we paid for it. We have a $5,000 budget for this. And so I'm going to just we'll start at zero, and we're going to start putting anything that we buy or purchase. We're going to keep a running tab, so you'll know exactly how much it costs to take a truck like this. And you guys can get any truck wherever you are on in the country. You might be able to get one for $500. You might be able to get one for $2,000. Whatever it is, you might have one. You might get an inherited one. We're going to show you what it takes to completely change the interior, to put suspension on it, put new springs in it, put a little bit of lift on it, get the body parts we need to make it look correct, fix some things that are broken, and even put an engine in this. So this is a $5,000 build, and we're going to keep tabs. So whenever you see a video, we're going to put down like, this is what it cost, and we're just going to show it to you. So I hope we stay under 5,000. Be great if we do under 5,000. Pretty sure we're going to buy a brand new, not a brand new engine, but a rebuilt, you know, a brand new long block, and then we're going to put it in here, just because I want to get something that's very dependable. And then afterwards, we might rebuild the engine in here in a different series. I don't know, but in the meantime, we're also going to do our car shows and racetracks and try to find old cars and stuff around the country. But in the meantime, this is something I wanted to do, and so that's what we're going to be doing. So if you have an OBS, old body style Ford, or you're thinking about redoing yours or whatever, and you're like, I don't know what that costs or what's involved, we're going to make it as simple as we can and as affordable as we can. So I hope you stay tuned, and from here on out, that's what we're doing. So last video, we got the hood off a junk truck. It was $100 for that hood. Next, we're going to see the video that has the headliner, because there's no headliner in this. So we're going to go ahead and grab that headliner out of an Eddie Bauer edition truck that was in a junkyard. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey, so I'm in the truck, and I think we just have to take this out, that comes out. Somebody already took the front ones, that one, and these around here. Honestly though, I'm looking at this carpet, and I might take the carpet out of here too, because it looks like all the stuff is missing for the carpet, all the stuff I would take out. So we may pull the carpet too. We'll figure it out here in a minute. All right, now we just have to get it out of here and make sure we get our screws that we use. Okay, so that's what we wanted right there. All right, that's $45, guys. This is 45 bucks. I was looking them up the other night, $330 new. So this has a little cut right there, and I don't care. All right, so let's get out of here. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sean, and you guys have watched 4.5 million times our videos. We have over 755 videos up right now, and we only have 20,000 subscribers. So if you love our channel, there's three ways you can really help. You can subscribe, you can like, and if you want any of our gear, from t-shirts from when we were on the Hot Rod Power Tour, to coffee mugs, stickers, hats, bags, baby onesies, everything, please watch what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go to my homepage, click here. Once you click on this, it takes you to our official JYBF store. You can go in, you can pick any of the different designs that we have, and we have a bunch, as you can see. And once you've picked the design that you want, you can put it on everything from a hat to a tote bag, to a gym bag, to a sweatshirt, to a hoodie, to baby diaper bags, to baby diapers, I think. I don't know. We have like literally hundreds of different items here in different colors. You choose the color, you choose whatever design you want. Pay for it, they ship it to you from the warehouse. You will get it right away. If there's any issues, you can return them if you have to. We take credit cards. We've been shipping stuff around and I see you guys wearing it. So if you want to help us, the channel, please go to the store and click on that, find something you like, and hopefully I'll see you somewhere. You know, we're already all around the country. In fact, so the next time you're out and you see me, give me a yell. And then I'll put you on the channel wearing some of our gear. So there we go, guys. Brand new, I'm sorry, doing YouTube. Brand new headliner with the foam underneath. So, 45 bucks. Can't beat it. Close this. So we're gonna load the hood onto our thing. We're gonna load the headliner, and that should be it for the day. Okay. And I think we're gonna need these two parts. If we don't, that's okay. It's good to have them. So, okay. All right, so. Choked myself. Put this right in here. So headliner's 45, the hood is 100. So we're gonna look right now, see how much a new hood would be, a new headliner, and we'll see our savings. So, but for 145 bucks, I think we're doing good. And we might come back and get that rug. I'll find out how much the rug is. Maybe we'll come back Saturday. We'll see. All right, we're gonna walk this up, pay for it. All right, guys, we got our headliner and we got our hood back. Luckily, it's not too hot today, so we're gonna pay for this. And we had our tools under. Thus, we just used this to keep the wind from blowing the headliner. So we're gonna go get the seats we saw, because the best thing is they're from a F-250 that's 3 years newer, but they're not power, so I don't have to put any wiring to them, even though we have to recover the one. So let me pay for these, and then if I can make sure I can get the other seats out. I didn't want to mess with the window today. So all right, so
save it for another day.
we're gonna be here Saturday. So we're gonna build this truck probably from most of this, because that's an Eddie Bauer truck. So all right guys, here's a little pro tip for you. If you're gonna carry stuff in a bed with a tarp, one of these tops on it, the soft tops like I have, get yourself one of these cheap cargo nets, because like that headliner in there is really too light, and it's probably going to try and fly out and stuff. However, it's not going to, because the cargo net will keep it from coming out. So for $15, this will keep really light stuff from flying out, cardboard boxes, whatever, headliners, anything that's really light that could fly out when it's too long. I mean, I don't use them on top of the cargo, but I just use them to act kind of like a wall for the back of the pickup truck. Anyway, that's my little pro tip for the day. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.